First light. The outburst begins.
Comets are notoriously unpredictable, but what happened on September 26 caught everyone by surprise. Just 2 weeks after its closest pass to the Sun at a perihelion of 0.5 astronomical units, Comet Swan suddenly roared to life. Initially, it was a faint object, but amateur astronomers in Japan and Australia noticed a dramatic surge in brightness overnight. This wasn't a minor flicker. The comet's brightness leaped by a full magnitude, from 7.4 to a peak of 5.7, pushing it into naked-eye visibility under dark skies. What caused this? As the comet swung away from the Sun, intense solar heat penetrated its frozen nucleus. Pockets of sublimating cryovolatiles like frozen carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide buried for millennia reached their breaking point and exploded through the crust. This outburst ejected a massive cloud of gas and dust, dramatically expanding the comet's atmosphere, or coma, and feeding its enormous tail. According to cometary scientist Dr. Casey Liss of the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, such outbursts provide a rare glimpse into the primordial material from which our solar system was formed. This event signaled that Swan's inner engine was now exposed, making its next moves completely unpredictable and turning it into a prime target for skywatchers worldwide. The sudden release of energy was so significant it altered the comet's light curve, deviating sharply from all predictive models.